In this tutorial, I'll talk about how to create a favorite lineup. When you go to your program guide by clicking Guide on your remote, you'll notice just underneath the screen it says SD. If I keep clicking my guide on the remote, I can switch the views. Switch to HD, pay-per-view, all channels, and subscribe channels. Another thing I can do is set a favorite lineup by selecting the channels I like to watch the most. To do that, just click Menu on the remote, and this will bring you into the menu guide, where you have a few different options. So here what I like to do is go over to Favorites and click OK. And I have 5 different options here. I can choose, edit, create, delete, or cancel. And here we're going to create one. So I'm going to go over here and click Create. This will take me to another screen, and under Name it's labeled Favorites 1 because we haven't created one yet. So what I'm going to do with Favorites 1, since it's highlighted in blue, I'm going to click OK, and a menu keyboard will pop up. Arrow down to clear, and we're going to name this favorite Nemont. Go down and click Done. And once I do that, all I need to do is go down into the channel lineup by clicking the down arrow and clicking OK on the favorites that I want to add to my favorites lineup. Now we're going to add channels 1 through 6. So I'll go over here and click on NemonTV and the other additional channels below it. Once I've selected those, you'll notice little hearts by them indicating that they are on my favorites list. I'll then arrow over with the remote, highlight Update, and click OK. Then after all of that, I should have a favorites list named Nemont. So if I click Guide again, there's my subscribed list of all the channels I'm subscribed to. My SD channel lineup, my HD channel lineup, pay-per-view, and look, there's Nemont. And here we'll notice that I have the 6 channels that we selected in the favorites list. Next, we'll talk about how to delete and edit your favorites list.